Hey there, we're the Markhams, Chris, Andrea, and our adventure dog, Emmy. We're combat veterans who met in Afghanistan, sold our house after 7 amazing years, and now we're hitting the road to explore every corner of America. From stunning national parks to hidden caves, we're on a non-stop adventure, making memories and chasing sunsets. Set off on an unforgettable adventure across America with us and our dog, Emmy. Be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any moments. Put the new truck decal on yesterday. I made them myself with my Cricut. We got them put on. And now today, we are moving this ladder to its home. It's a 22-foot little giant.
Yep.
So,
With the ratchet levelers.
it's got the ratchet levelers, so you know, campgrounds are super even and level all the time. But we're gonna strap it up to the underbelly.
Hopefully. What the heck are these idiots doing now?
Oh, someone's here. There's knocking.
I'm gonna rough them up.
People, what you did.
Welcome!
Oh, it's just a baby.
Andrea made me buy a really expensive ladder
Why did I make you buy a really expensive ladder?
because it's a lot more safe than the one I had
Yeah,
and sturdy.
yeah.
The one I had kind of crumbled, not crumbled, but one of the levelers gave out and it slipped down a level while I was on it. Well, it was on the other side, I think. When I was, yeah. So, we got a ladder, and our friends, the Bronickes, had this little idea to where they strapped up their ladder under their rig to save space, and we don't really need the space like that, but put it back here and take some weight off of the front.
Ladder out of the tool block or the bed of the truck.
Yeah, the ladder's no longer in the bed of the truck, so it's a big space saver up there. It takes that 50 pounds off of the truck, so.
How'd you put it up?
Strength. I used 2, say 1.25 inch ratchet straps. I weaved it through just in case it kind of wiggles. They won't actually drop. And got some rubber floor matting from Lowe's. Just some thin stuff to protect the underbelly from the steps of the ladder. And it's secured up against a frame rail going across. So that'll help with stability and such. But other than that, it's just 2 ratchet straps, a ladder, and some rubber barrier. And we'll hope for the best.
We'll let you know when we get to San Antonio if it's still there.
Yeah. trying to find ways to save space, make weight distribution better, and still keep all the tools I need on this little journey of ours for RV tech is challenging but fun. Might need to modify this a little bit depending how I feel about it when we get to San whatever we're going to next. But for now, I think we saved a spot, or saved a little space. Next time it might end up in the garage, who knows? We'll go from there.
So some of you might be wondering why we strapped the ladder to the bottom of the RV and not to, just like the ladder that most people have on the back of their RVs. Ours is not on the back, it's on the side, and it hinges. So you have to push it up and in when it's travel days. Not to mention, if you put a ladder on this ladder attached to it on the side of your RV, that makes you wider than what is legally allowed on the roads. So it's a no-no. Thanks for joining us on another adventure. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button so you don't miss any of the fun. See you next time.